Hi friends, welcome back to Sheena's Homestead. Today I have a very delicious recipe for you. This is a salad that you can take to any party. It is phenomenal at bridal showers, wedding showers, all of that fun stuff. You are going to be the hit of the party. We are talking about a Greek salad, and it has a little twist, so stay with me. This is a quick and easy episode. There's a lot of chopping and that's about it. So make sure you have yourself a nice deep bowl. So first things first, you want to cut up an entire cucumber into nice bite-sized pieces and add that to your bowl. So make sure you keep a small amount of your cucumber on the side because we're going to add it to our tzatziki sauce. And now, raw red onion. Next up is green bell pepper. You can choose red, yellow, or orange, whatever you like best. Next up is garden fresh tomatoes. I'm using a beefsteak from my garden and also these sun gold cherry tomatoes. Avocados. Avocados are not traditional to Greek salad, but you don't want to miss them. They taste so good in this salad and it just balances all the vegetables, adds a creamy texture, and it's so good for you. Oh my gosh, you guys, I almost forgot the most important ingredient, which is Kalamata olives. Okay, so now we're gonna start on our dressing. Now, I told you before to put aside some of your cucumber for this dressing. If you didn't, that's okay. Or if you're working with two medium cucumbers like I am, then you can just chop up two. I just want to remind you that we want to take out the watery seeds on the inside of the cucumber. If you are using an English variety of cucumber, you don't have to take the skin off. So that is up to you. And then we're just going to slice it really thin for this dressing. So cut them into bite-sized pieces. Some people like to grate their cucumber. I like feeling the texture in the tzatziki dressing. Now we're gonna chop up some fresh dill. We're gonna add a half of a fresh lemon. And now some fresh raw cloves of garlic. So just put them into your press and right into your dressing. Now we're going to use 2 cups of Greek yogurt. We're going to finish this dressing off with a teaspoon of salt and a nice fresh cracked black peppercorn. You want to make sure you season this really well because we don't have any salt or pepper in our salad. So the dressing is where it all comes from. Give that a nice mix. And last but not least, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Have something that is not traditional to tzatziki dressing, but it is phenomenal. Our neighbors are beekeepers and they make the best honey that there is. So I am going to take just a very small amount and add it to our dressing. It gives it just a little subtle hint of sweetness among all of those delicious other flavors. So the time has finally come. I am going to mix up the salad. Look at all that beauty. So I'm gonna plate up a little bit for myself because I can't wait any longer. This looks so delicious and it tastes amazing. We've had it many times this summer. So here are all my beautiful vegetables. And then I am just going to add my dressing right to the middle. And we're gonna finish it off with some feta crumbled cheese. All right, the time has arrived. So you can just mix it up like this. Ooh, and make sure you get a bite of everything. Oh, I need a piece of avocado. There we go. Okay. That is so good. That's it. Just a lot of fresh chopped ingredients. It's a pretty simple salad to make and your friends are absolutely gonna love you for it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dishes just like this. I will see you next time on Sheena's Homestead. Goodbye, friends.